Hello, friends, colleagues. You're welcome to the presentation. In this presentation, we want to deal with the 2023 GCE Mathematics Paper 1, question 21 and question 23, right? Now this is question 22 and question 23. And question 23 that we want to do. Okay, please follow me as we try to dissect these questions. All right. Okay, please, you're welcome. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, the first one, that is 22A, the integrate. What are we integrating? 3x to the power 2 minus 5x plus 9 over x to the power 3 with respect to x. So, first you can get rid of the fraction. So, we have 3x to the power 2 minus 5x plus now 9 over x to the power 3 is the same as 9 over 1 times 1 over x to the power 3. It's the same as 9 times 1 over x to the power 3 is the same as x to the power negative. This is 9x to the power negative. This one we need to know. 9x to the power negative 3. Okay. Yeah, it's very important. Then that's when we need to integrate now. That's when we integrate. Okay. So now we'll say we integrate term by term. So in other words, we want to find the integral of this with respect to x. All right. So we are integrating this with respect to x. All right. So this will be 3x 2 plus 1. So the rule is that you add power to what 1 to the power 2 plus. Okay, so minus 5x to the power 1. So the 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 9x to the power negative 3 plus 1 divided by negative 3 plus 1 plus the arbitrary constant because we don't have the limits of integration. 3x to the power 3 divided by 3 minus 5x to the power 2 divided by 2. Now plus 9x the power negative 2 divided by negative 2 as our arbitrary constant. And finally, you can say this 3 and that to cancel. X to the power 3 minus 5 over 2 x squared. Negative into positive of negative 9 divided by 2 x to the power negative 2 plus. This is your answer. Or you say, okay, we remove the negative index. So it will be x to the power 3 minus 5 over 2x squared minus 9/2 times 1/x² plus c. This is your answer, or you can simplify it further. But this from here, you have x to the power 3, 5/2 x². -9 times 1, you have -9 over 2x² plus 6. This is the answer also. Okay. I hope that is fine. Next one is the diagram below shows the graph of the function y is equal to x² plus 2x minus 15. The curve cuts the x-axis at A and B, and the y-axis at C. Okay. Find the coordinates of B and C. Okay, so what the coordinates of B and C? So you need to know that at B here, since it is on the x-axis, the value of x is not known, but of properties of distance. So x is unknown, but y at this point is 0. The coordinates for B will be x, 0. At this point, you can check that the value of x here will be 0, but y is unknown. It's unknown, or we can say since it's a y-intercept, C is our y-intercept, and our y-intercept, C represents the y-intercept, which is -15. So it means at this point, the coordinates are 0, -15. All right, now, to find the coordinates at B, we are going to equate y to 0 because we're saying y is equal to 0. So we'll say for y is equal to x² plus 2x minus 15 plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. Equate that to 0. So implying that x² plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. So we can find the product, which is A times C. Our A is 1, so this is -5, -15. This is -15. Our sum is B, that we have got 2. So you need to find two numbers that can divide into 15, but 15 rather, whose sum is 2. And we can have -3, 5. When you multiply -3 and 5, that's 15. When you add them, you get 2. So this implies that x² minus 3x plus 5x minus 15, this will be equal to 0. Get the common factor. All right. So we need to find the common factor here. So x, now x into x² is x minus x into 3x plus 3 plus 5. The common factor is +5. X minus 3 is equal to 0, implying that what is common here is x minus 3. Then you have x plus 3 in brackets equal to 0. So if we have x minus 3 is equal to 0, it means x is 3. If x plus 5 is equal to 0, it means x is equal to -5. These are the two possible values of x. And now, since B is on the positive axis of F, so it means the value of B there with regard to X should be 3. Therefore, B will say 3, 0, and for C, it is 0, negative 10. If you want to find the coordinate for C also, you can put 0 where there is X, and you get 15. All right. Roman numeral 2, we need the minimum value of Y. So the minimum value of Y can be found by finding the point of X. Then whatever value you find, you substitute. All right. Or you use the formula to say Y is equal to 4AC minus B squared divided by 4A. So Y will be equal to 4. What is our A? Is 1. Then our C, that is 15, minus our B is 2 squared divided by 4A. What is our A? We said our A is 1. All right, so this is negative 16 minus 4 divided by 4. This will give you negative 64 divided by 4. That is negative 16. So Y is equal to negative 16 is the minimum value. That's it, is the minimum value. Okay, the last question. The following diagram is a time graph of the curve from less and acceleration formula. And this is our 3 meters per second squared. Then the time taken is 4 seconds until it reaches a speed of v meters per second. Then travels at this constant speed for 8 seconds. It finally comes to rest after 10 seconds. Find the value of v. So here we'll be given acceleration. So we'll say acceleration is final velocity by time. Knowing that our acceleration is equal to the final velocity is v. So our acceleration has been given to be 3. V minus divided by time, which is 4. When you multiply, V minus times 4, that's 12. So V is 12. The average speed for the first 12 seconds. So average speed is distance covered divided by time taken to cover that distance. So what is the distance covered? So we have to look at this one. This is a trapezium, and the formula for trapezium is half divided by our time. So we say half times the height. The height is this. The height. And the height is 12. Then our A From here to there, the difference here is our A, which is 8. Then our B is 12. So we have got 8 plus divided by 12. So you can see that and this one will cancel. Now half times 20. So your answer is 10 meters a second as your average is, right? Now, find the value of V, the speed at t is equal to 14 is 4 meters per second. So, what they are saying is that if you have got some time here, then maybe it is 14. All right? This is our time at this point. Our time there is 14. But we are told that the speed is 4 meters per second. What you can just extend it like this. So what they are telling you is that at this point, when you take here, it is 4. It means that this point is 4. So what we'll do is come up with two triangles. There is this one first, the bigger one. So we'll come up with the first triangle there. Where here it is 12. Here there is 4. Here I've got 3. Then at the vertex at the top here, we also have 12. So here there's 12. Then there's another triangle. Now from 14 to T, this triangle. Okay? 14 to T. to T. By the time here taken is 4. I mean the speed that is there is 4. So we can see that these are similar what? Triangles. So I'll find this length here by saying T minus 12. I'll find the length here by saying T minus 14. Now we use the concept of similarity. Steps that are similar have got the same ratio. Meaning that if I divide this by that, 4 divided by 12, this will be equal to T minus 14 divided by T minus 12. Then we'll find the T. So this will be 1 divided by 3 for T minus 14 divided by T minus 12. All right, so to close multiply, it will be T open bracket T minus 3 open bracket T minus 12 is equal to 1 open bracket T minus 12 as well. 3T minus 3 by 12, 6 T minus 12. So we can group the terms. 3T minus T negative 12 plus 36. 2T is equal to okay. Or check properly first that okay. Check the value of D. Okay, so we have implicit. We have 50 is equal to 24 and divide by 2 both sides. So 2 is giving us 12. So I'm sure there is some information that we missed because the answer has to be greater than 12. It can't be 12. So let's just verify the information that we could have missed. It's important to take your time. Okay. Just a minute. Trying to share the PDF. Okay. I think I have it. All right, so we are saying important to check the answer because we are saying T is 12, which is not correct, right? Because you already have 12 here, so T should be greater than 14, in fact. So it means we need to just counter check the calculation. We could have missed it somewhere. Okay, so here we are saying it is 4 divided by 12, good. Then here 14 minus 14 divided by minus 12, this is correct. Then when you cross multiply, yeah, this is where the mistake is. See what has happened? Yeah, so we needed to multiply. Yeah, it's supposed to be this one, not equal to. So we needed to multiply this. So for that, we need to correct this. Okay, not 12, but 14. So sometimes you have to be a bit careful. So when you underline the answer in an exam, let the answer make sense. You cannot just underline, for example, 12. That should give you an idea that the answer is not correct. All right, so here, 14, I'm multiplying by 14, not 12. Take note. Yeah, so this will be 3t minus 42. T minus 12. 3t minus, when we group the like terms, that is 12 plus 42. So what does this give us? So this will give us t is equal to, that is 12 plus 42, I think that's 30, divided by 2 by 2. So t is equal to 15. It's incorrect. It's greater than 14. So the t there is 14. Okay. That's why we end for this presentation. Please subscribe and also subscribe to our new channel, the command LM. In case you want to contact us, get in touch with us on the following numbers. Let me just write them down. The following numbers. So for Mr. Piri, who is myself, contact us on these numbers: 0978 56 876. Tambondo Tauma Bright, 0979 7809. Contact us on those lines, and those that are sitting for their exams next year, please get in touch with us. The lessons I've studied, don't remain behind, don't panic. At only 500 per month, we do live lessons as if in class. We do live presentations with calculations together, write the notes together, everything. Once you join our platform, I can assure you good results. Don't need what about the books, what about everything to be able to provide. Please subscribe and share. Till next time, this has been Philip Kamban. Bye-bye.